Alright, so I just booted up the OS, and here what it appears after the screen boots up. And here are some important new features. You can check out the important information, hardware database tutorials. You can check out the forums if you want. And I'm not gonna review all this. And I'm gonna quickly jump to the main things. So here's the file manager here. You get with this, and there are thoroughly a lot of improvements and in the UI and in the performance itself. And yeah, it's look good. It looks good. So I'm gonna test it a lot. So let me see a lot of preferences. In the preferences you get a lot of applications. You get your account details. You can change your background if you want, and again edit your desktop if you want. You can choose effects, use extensions, and modify your lock screen, keyboard. You can add or remove themes also if you want. You have a dedicated option for the sound also. And I'm gonna take a look at the applications here. You get a Brasero as your default ISO burner, Banshee as your default music player. You have a backup tool also. That's good. And these are the files here. You can install your external extensions from the Genome, or maybe uh, the extension available for this desktop. I don't know about it. So okay. mm, you get library office as your default office. And you get an option of themes also here, as you can see. So you can add or remove themes also. And let me just quickly open this and see what it looks like. So we have the default Linux Mint theme here. So if I want to choose, I can quickly right click and apply the theme. And here what it looks like, the Mint X. It is a Mint X theme here. So, and here's the cinnamon theme. It is the default theme here, and it looks good. So you can get more online themes also. You can choose from. It will gonna take a lot of time. Now I'm gonna cancel it. And you can change your icons. You can change the controls, window borders, mouse pointers, key bindings, etc. So I'm gonna quickly take a look at the graphics. You get GThumb as a default image viewer. In the Indian you get your Firefox as a default web browser. In the Office you get LibreOffice as a default. And in sound and video you get VLC media player pre-installed. That's good. In the preferences, as I said, you get a lot of options, so you can choose between a lot of them. And let's see what we get. So I'm gonna quickly look at the system info here. Themes are there. Fonts, you can choose between a lot of fonts if you want. And in effects, you can also choose a lot of effects. So let me check out the system info. So it is the Linux Mint 17 cinnamon and 64-bit. The Linux kernel used here is 3.13.0. It is not quite a old kernel. It is a new version, but it's not the very new version. The very new version is the 3.13.4 actually. 3.13.3 is a stable release, and 3.13.4 is not yet stable, but the distributions out there will make it stable if they want. And in the administration you get these apps. You get this guy usage analyzer. You can back up your home directory if you want. And so you can back up your home directory if you want. So here's an option of it. So I'm not gonna do it anything now. Let me check out some more applications. It looks good according to me. And okay, so here you get the workspace. You get the time widget here, this type of the. And here the update manager. So I have a lot of updates to install, so I will install it later on, no need now. And you get the volume option here. You get the player here, music player here also. You get your net connections, you get your account settings here, as you can see, and it looks good. So it looks awesome till now. The UI is smooth and fast, performance is good. There are several improvements in the desktop itself, so that's a plus point in it. And overall it looks good. I must say you can install this OS, it's good for daily use, and yeah, it looks good. So here's the terminal. So you get this. So I'm gonna close it, and I guess that's it. You can check out the OS itself. You can install it, it's your wish, and yeah, that's fine. Okay, so you get a domain blocker here, that's a new thing. Let me check it out. So you can block your domains if you want any unwanted or not used domains, obviously. So I guess that's it. Peace.